it's too much for a novice to constantly be scanning the world for so many coins because it's ridiculous amounts of information. So I would say, once again, get a mentor, see what their altcoin list is, and decide from there which couple you want to start dealing in. My altcoin list from my mentor is probably about 30 coins deep. That's a lot. And I don't have time to do all that because I'm servicing customers. I got a family. So I have a couple that I resonate with: Bitcoin, Ethereum, the big ones, Cardano, Ripple, that I have, Dogecoin. And I would say you have those in your investment wallet in case in the next 24 months they do blow up. Well, if they do, because the Bitcoin halving is coming, when they do, your investments are going to 10x. Well, why not have a couple of those bits in your bag, so when those things grow up, those bits are turned into large bits.